Nice smooth gravy, not too spicy. I actually stopped ordering from restaurants. It's just too expensive, so I just make it myself. You get to save a lot of money. Hello friends, hi. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you mutton masala curry with a bunch of vegetables and cashew nuts. So let's get cooking. Here I have 2 onions, 3 tomatoes and 4 green chilies. To thicken the gravy, I also have cashew nuts. Let's put them all into the blender to make a nice smooth paste. First things first, let's add a little bit of oil, cumin seeds, green cardamoms, and a couple of bay leaves. You can let this cook for about 30 seconds. Now we're going to let this cook till the oil and water separates. Just make sure you turn the flame a little low. A tablespoon of garlic. If you're still watching, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. That will really help my channel grow. Half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of garam masala, some salt. Here I have some mutton curry masala. This is optional. Fenugreek leaves, we got to crush them so that the flavors get released. But now you add these spices, just make sure it's consistent throughout. Unless you like the spice, you can add more of it. Let's add a little bit of salt. This would kill all the germs. Now this looks good. I'm going to put it into the pressure cooker. Here goes all the meat. Let's add all the lamb meat. Let's add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Here's a cooking tip: if you feel your recipe is too spicy, you could always add a little bit of yogurt. Let this simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. This is looking yummy. Guys, if you love my video, please give my channel some love, like, a comment, and if you could consider subscribing, I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.